Let's start with today's money motivation. You can see $121,666 complete passive affiliate commission. Very exciting, isn't it? But let me tell you, this is not the most important number. Yes, we all want money, but money doesn't grow on trees. Money is in other people's pocket, and they only give you the money if you give them value. And that is why in this screenshot, these numbers, hops, 104,339 hops, are the most important numbers that made us all this money. So what is these hops? Hops are the clicks on our affiliate links. So how can you get hops? To get these hops or clicks, we make contents like these videos. But unlike these videos, we make videos with images and texts using our artificial intelligence software Epic. In fact, you are looking at Epic user dashboard right now. I'm making this video with the help of Epic, showing you how Epic works. Because Epic allows us to make videos without camera, without microphone, without speaking, and without script writing. Epic has artificial intelligence, and Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Copy any text from anywhere, put the text in this box, use any of these buttons, and Epic will rewrite the text for you, and that text will be yours. Now take that text, go to the audio section, click this button, put the text here, and Epic will turn that text into natural sounding voiceover without you using your own voice. How cool is that? But that's not the best of the best part. Epic makes bite-sized videos. Can you see these videos? These are bite-sized tiny videos. We made section by section. Each section can be 1 second long to 10 seconds long. So we make videos in sections. Whenever we have an idea, we take that idea, take screenshots, add images, put them here, and save the campaign, go to other works, come back when we are free, click add new if we want to add new section. And here is the best part. This video you are watching, we are putting the same information inside Epic for our users. And Epic users can get access to our videos using these drop down menu. All these videos are the videos we made, and our Epic users have access to all these videos. So as an Epic user, you can click any of these and start with our videos. The information are all inside. You can recreate them, you can use the same, you can add your own voice, you can add elements, sections, do whatever you want with them. But videos are done for you, ready by us for Epic users. So Epic is free, link is in the description. Go grab Epic, start using from today, make awesome information and educational videos. And I'm going to show you how we make, or you can use our videos as done for you videos, publish them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and get customers. This is exactly how we get clicks on our links. When we make awesome contents, the viewers or the audience love us, trust us, they click our links, and they purchase using our recommendation, and we make money. That's the simplest way to make money online. We are doing it, hundreds of thousands of other people are doing it, and you can do it too. It starts with Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. By the way, our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. We are giving away free education, free information, free tricks and tactics that we are using to make money online. And also we are giving away our free softwares that help us make money online and our users make money online. All the links are in the description. Go grab them. And if you like this video and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines, your friends and family will have a chance to learn the same. They will get access to our softwares. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and let's move on to the money. Yesterday, I posted a valuable content on Facebook, and let me show you where it is. It's right here. To be honest, all this information are already out there. All I did was just used an artificial intelligence software, added my own experience, twists and tweaks to it, made it really helpful, informational, educational, and anyone can actually take action on these steps. And people loved it so much. Look at this, so many likes and hearts and 4 shares. All these shares got us more and more viewers. Viewers to what? Viewers to this little link that we have shared as the biggest solution to the problem. So what have we done? We gave everything for free. We got likes, shares, follows, and now we are using social media as our email list. We are building this list, we're nurturing this list, helping them, and we are recommending something as a solution to the problem. Because of sharing all these values, from yesterday's post, from this link alone, yesterday we have made $280 per month monthly recurring income from this post, which is like $3,360 per year. Okay, so we understood how it works, right? Here is another example on Quora. Quora has over 500 million monthly visitors, and a lot of these visitors come from Google every single month. What is Quora? Quora is a place where people ask questions and people answer those questions. So there is a lot of engagement and interactions going on, just like Facebook and other social media. But this place is basically based on questions, asking questions and getting answers. So I found this person posting a nice content. Just by the look at the content, I felt like they must have a lot of interactions in their posts or the contents. So I looked at the profile and look what I found. 22 million content views and 1.9 million views this month alone. Now if you compare this number and these hops, then you can imagine how much money they have possibly made. I cannot guarantee how many clicks they have made from these views, but definitely a lot. And from the simple social media principle, from valuable contents, they got a lot of clicks and definitely they got a lot of sales. All of their contents are high quality with a lot of information and they get a lot of views. This one got 1.9 thousand views, and there is a link at the end of this content. Click that link and you will find this page. Wow, that's good. Another post, only 6 upvotes, but 2,500 views. After reposting, it got another 418 views. So more valuable posts and contents you publish into your niche, you can get more and more viewers, more and more followers, likes, shares, engagements, clicks, and sales. That's the simple way to make money online. Go and start with Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. When you browse online, learn something, get any information, put those information the same way we put on Epic. Make simple videos and publish on YouTube. People love good content. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will click your links based on your recommendation and buy from you, and you will make money. That's the simplest way to make money online. That's what we do and hundreds of thousands of other people do. Millions of content creators on YouTube, TikTok, Instagrams too, and you can do it too. All you have to do is to start today. Just go to Google and search for anything. Let's say how to make money from Udemy. And you will find hundreds, if not thousands of awesome, super awesome articles. They provide literally every information you need, step by step. Choose the best one. Then go to Jasper, open boss mode, long form, create a new document. Start from scratch. Copy the whole thing. Title, put it here, and copy, just copy, just copy. Blindly copy, don't talk about it now. Complete copy paste. And now Control Shift V. You want to make it a little nice? Format it a little bit if you want with H1, H2 tags, etc. If not, forget about it. Simply hit Enter and Command. Write a persuasive description for the above. You're going to need it for this place. Make the output larger if you want, and Command. Do it, and it's done. Now copy this, paste it here. You want witty, you want persuasive. Then just remove everything. Write an intro. The intro is written. Write an outline. The outline is written. Now copy this section. Done. Copy number 2. Do the same for number 3. Even number 4 and number 5 is also written. Number 6 is also. So I have, what can I say? Now why not write number 7 as well? Now the job is done. Write a conclusion. Cool stuff. Now an 842 words blog post is written in just about 5 minutes, 30 seconds. You want to add more? Go ahead. You want to copy directly anything from anywhere? Copy the whole thing from here. Go to the content improver, paste it here, and generate AI content. Now basically the same content is rewritten using AI, and using just one click you can literally add another 100 words. Awesome. Thank you very much. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we are also giving away our softwares, valuable artificial intelligence softwares for free. All the links are in the description. Grab access to them and start using and start making money from today. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timeline, so your friends and family also learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And this way you will help us reach 100 million people to help them learn the same. Go ahead, like and share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.